Updating your payout destination on Shopify is essential for ensuring that your earnings are directed to the right bank account or payment method. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have administrative access to make changes to the payout settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the bottom left corner of the Shopify admin dashboard. Click on it to access various settings related to your store. Step 3. Go to Payments. In the Settings menu, find and select the Payments option. This section contains all the payment-related settings, including your current payout destination. Step 4. Edit payout information. Within the Payments section, look for the option that allows you to edit your payout destination. Click on Manage or Edit next to your current payout method to update your bank account or payment details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout information, ensure that you review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout destination has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Shopify. Regularly check your payout settings to ensure they remain accurate and up to date.